Meaning of dramatic.
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 Dramatic. Dramatic refers to something that is characterized by striking or impressive changes or movements, often with a sense of tension or excitement. The term can be used to describe a wide range of events or situations, including theatrical performances, intense emotional experiences, sudden shifts in the natural environment, and significant social or political developments. Regardless of the context, the word dramatic indicates a high level of intensity or impact, often leaving a lasting impression on those who witness or experience it.